Yes, people, a very, very happy evening to all of you. Energy not sufficient. One more time. Guys, a very, very happy evening to all of you. Much better. So, guys, we're doing this chapter called as Fundamentals of Partnership, right? What did we study in the last class? 2 topics. Very good. Before that, we studied contents of partnership deed. Contents of partnership deed. Followed by that, we studied rights of partners in partnership firm. Today, we'll understand what is the importance of partnership deed, and more importantly, what are the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of partnership deed. Okay, very simple point. Why is partnership deed important? What is partnership deed? What is partnership deed? Guys, all of you, when you answer, no, look at me. Eyes to eye contact and answer. Donkey fellow, here. நான் தான் செலிபிரிட்டி. இவங்க இப்போ வாக் பண்ணிட்டு வந்தாங்க இல்லையா, இவங்கெல்லாம் லேட் கமர்ஸ். அவங்கள பார்த்து வந்து என்கரேஜ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. யூ ஹேவ் டு சீ மீ ஒன்லி. ஹலோ வாய்ஸ், வேர் ஆர் யூ கோயிங்? குட்டா பக்கத்து ரூம் பில்டிங் இடிச்சு உள்ள போயிட்டு இருக்கு. இவ்வளோ கேப் இருக்குல்ல, வேணாமா? செட்டில் டவுன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். Okay, my simple question to all of you. What is a partnership deed? When the partnership agreement is put into writing, it is called as partnership deed. Now the question is, what is the importance of partnership deed? Why is partnership deed, that is agreement in writing, very important? What do you think? What is your logic says? Proof, okay. To avoid disputes. Tomorrow, if there is any point of disputes, the document that will save you is partnership deed, because whatever is in writing, if a partnership agreement is in writing, which is signed by all the partners, it means what? Whatever the content is agreed in the partnership deed, everybody has acknowledged it, right? So if the partnership deed does not exist or is silent on the matter of silent on any matter, the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 will be applied. Leave that point. What is importance here? The importance is that if there is any dispute, if any, will be settled by applying the provisions of Indian Partnership Act. Leave that also. This is the main point here. Dispute arising, if any, between the partners is resolved on the basis of partnership deed. If a deed is there, if the partnership agreement is there in writing, if tomorrow there is any dispute, we can always go back and refer the document and say, look, this is what we have agreed. இதுதான் agree பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இதுக்கு deviation பண்ணி எப்படி நம்ம பண்றது? So whatever is agreed is what will be executed. So if there is any dispute between the partners in future, partnership deed will come to our rescue. If there is any dispute between the partners in future, partnership deed will come to our rescue. Okay or not okay? If partnership deed is not there, or partnership deed is there, but if there is any silence about any particular clause, then you will apply the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 to resolve the issue. Chalo, let's see that. This is what all they are telling. Same point again and again. Let's go directly. If partnership deed does not exist, no partnership deed, or partnership deed is there, but the following clauses are not there in the agreement, or these clauses are there, but the explanation points are not very clearly agreed. In such case, disputes will happen or not happen? You tell me. In such case, disputes will happen or not happen? 100% disputes will happen. When there is nothing in writing appadina, dispute varudhu appadina, how do you resolve the issue? How do you resolve the issue? Let's say this matter has gone to the court also. How will judge resolve the issue? He will refer Indian Partnership Act 1932. Which are those points where law says something? Adu paakalama. This is something that we already discussed in the last class. One more time we are repeating what we called the same thing. First is profit sharing ratio. Partnership deed not there, or partnership deed is there, but profit sharing ratio in particular, they have not agreed any ratio. They have not agreed any particular ratio. Or partnership deed is there, but entire profit sharing ratio clause is missing. In such case, what does Indian Partnership Act 1932 says? The profit will be distributed in what ratio? Wrong. If you say 1:1:1, it will be wrong because it is equal. If there are 3 partners, then it is 1:1:1. If there are 2 partners, then it is 1:1. Directly, if you say 1:1:1 apnina, you are deciding that there are 3 partners in the firm. Sola mudiyuma. There could be even n number of partners. How much is maximum partners? 50 partners. So if that case, what is the ratio going to be? 1:1:1:1, 50 times. So don't say 1:1. Say equal. This is the right language. This is the right language. Okay, not okay. Clear this point? Okay. Now, next is the concept of interest on capital. In-depth discussion about interest on capital I will do when I come across this topic in the future. As of now, can you tell me what is this concept of interest on capital? What does interest on capital mean?
Interest paid to the interest paid to partners for providing funds to the business.
Funds, you can't say funds. The funds has got a specific name. Capital, very good. So this is partner. Partner has funded the business. What type of funding it is? Is it loan funding or capital funding? Capital funding. So partner has given capital to the firm. Firm is using this money to develop the business. So who is using whose money? Firm is using partner's money. Firm is using partner's money. Can firm use this money free of cost? Can firm use this money free of cost? No. In return, they have to compensate by paying interest. So firm has to pay interest on capital to the partner. So from the firm's point of view, firm is paying interest appadina, firm ku vandu idu expense income. For firm it is income or expense? Think and respond. Income or expense? It is expenditure. Anything that we pay is our expenditure. Any problem? So far, no problem. Now the point is, online people mute, no? Darshan, Supreet, Tanu, all of you mute and switch on your videos, please. All of you switch on your videos. It is mandatory for all the online people to switch on your videos throughout the session. It is compulsory. My question is, partnership deed is not there, or partnership deed is there, but interest on capital clause is missing, or partnership deed is there, interest on capital clause is there, but percentage of interest is missing. Dispute will happen or not happen? 100% dispute happens. If it happens, Apnina, how do you resolve? This partner will say, I want 10% interest. The other partners will say, no, we'll pay only 6% interest. Like that, if both of them fight, Apnina, what is the solution for this fighting?
Don't give any.
You will have to refer law. What is law saying? Law says that in such case, interest on capital will be 0%. 0%. Why 0%? The partner is telling that, why? You should give me some percentage, no? For interest on loan by partner, you have to give me 6%. Then why for the 0%? So law here says that, whose business is this? Your business. For your business, you are funding money. So why should we give interest? So for you, it is 0% interest. 0% interest. Got it, not got it. It's your business, boss. Your business ku unake vatti venuma. Appadi venum appadina nee enna pannirukano? Before itself, you should have agreed for it. If you have not agreed, it means law says that we will not give you interest. Got it, not got it. Got it, not got it. Okay, not okay. Okay. So interest on capital percentage is going to be 0% or nil. When the partnership deed is not there or clause is not complete. Clause is not complete. IOC ka clause is not complete. Okay, not okay. Online people, okay, not okay.
Okay.
Fantastic. Next comes interest on drawing. Interest on drawing. See, about interest on capital, I have a lot of things to say. Lot many things are there. But இப்போ அந்த மசாலா பேசினா வந்து யூஸ் இல்லை. I'm only focusing on what is relevant for this particular concept. When I will take this IOC concept, no, fully in depth I'll discuss. What is IOC? Why the partners are asking interest from the firm? What is the journal entries to be passed? Will it go to trading account or P&L account, or will it go to P&L appropriation account? How the entry is passed? What is due entry? What is payment entry? Everything in depth we'll discuss when I come with IOC. How do we do calculations of interest? Everything we'll discuss in the IOC part. Now here I'm just discussing the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of partnership deed. So I don't want to put too much data here and confuse. I'm trying to keep it very, very simple. Is that okay with all of you? Okay. Next comes the concept of interest on drawing. There are two types of drawing. One is drawings against profit. Second is drawings against capital. Okay, not okay. Now this interest on drawing is on capital or on profit. Which one? Is it on capital or is it on drawing? In the drawing, there are two types of drawing. One is drawing against capital, second is drawing against profit. So interest on drawing is calculated on drawing against capital or drawing against profit. Capital. Okay. Others. Inky pinky ponky, father had a donkey. You know, no? Why do we use that for? Guessing. Guess pannunga. If somebody is answering me either drawing against capital or drawing against profit, I will not take the answer. You know why? Because you have guessed it. You don't know the concept. So there is no way that you can answer it correctly. Got it? Even I cannot tell you now, this interest is on what? Actually, it is on drawing against profit only. But why it is not drawing against capital, that logic I can't give now. So when I come to the concept of IOD, that time I'll tell you the proper logic of why we calculate interest on drawing against profit only and not capital. So for that, you have to wait. What is the journal entry for interest on drawing? Due entry, transfer entry, payment entry. How do we calculate? What are the different methods for calculating interest on drawing? Everything I'll discuss in deep when I come to the concept of IOD. Now the discussion is very simple. What is the discussion here? This is the firm. This is the partner. Partner is in need of money. So he has withdrawn the money against what? Capital or profit? Profit. So this is a concept of drawing against profit. From the profits, he has withdrawn the money in advance. And for this, firm is asking interest in return. So who has to pay interest to whom? Partner has to pay the interest. Partner has to pay the interest because partner is enjoying the money. Who's paying the money to whom? Firm is paying money to the partner. Whose money? Who's paying? Firm's ka money is being paid to the partner. Now you will tell, no, sir, this profit is belonging to partner only. No, sir. So my money, my profit, I am withdrawing. Why interest on that? That conceptual discussion I'll discuss when I come to the topic of interest on drawing. Now can I answer? Not possible because you're not in that level to understand. So I'm trying to give a base now. This profit is withdrawn in advance. If this money is not withdrawn, then this money will be enjoyed by whom? Firm. Since you're withdrawing this money, instead of firm enjoying the money, who's enjoying the money now? Partner. So firm's money, who's enjoying now? Partner. Firm's money, who's enjoying now? Partner. So who has to pay interest to whom? Partner has to pay interest to the firm. This is called as interest on drawing. So from the firm's point of view, we are doing accounting from firm's point of view, correct? We are doing accounting from whose point of view? Firm's point of view. So interest on drawing is income for the firm or expense for the firm? It is income for the firm. This is income. Now the question is, if the interest is agreed, let's say 10% or 12% or 15%, then the partner has to pay the interest accordingly. Where is this agreed? In the partnership deed. If this percentage is agreed in the partnership deed, no problem, no dispute. If dispute also comes, we'll tell, what, why are you fighting? Look, in the partnership deed, we agreed 10%. Why are you fighting with me? I'm not asking anything extra. Whatever is there in the deed, that is what I'm asking. Immediately, the dispute will get resolved. When will the dispute not get resolved? Partnership deed, not there. Or partnership deed is there, but interest on drawing clause is not there. Or partnership deed is there, interest on drawing clause is there, but what is missing in that? Percentage is missing. Now, how will you resolve it? You have to refer the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932, which says the interest percentage is 0%. So here also 0%. Got it? Not got it? If IOC is 0%, IOC is what? Interest to be paid by the firm to the partner. If this is 0 apdina, partner also will argue, no, then in that case, the interest that I should also pay should be 0. Onako rule, enako rule irukka mudiyadhu illaya. So rendu perku equal rule. So either both of us will get interest or both of us will have 0 interest. Got it? Not got it? Any difficulty in remembering this? Any difficulty in remembering this? Offline people, no energy. Enaba? Once more. Once more. Explain. Okay. Right. In the absence of partnership deed, profit sharing ratio equal. In the absence of partnership deed, IOC percentage is 0%. In absence of partnership deed, IOD is 0%. What is IOD? I'm repeating one more time because one of the student is asking. This interest is on drawing. Which type of drawing? Against capital or against profit? Against profit. Logic I have not told you now. In future, I'll tell it. Is that okay? Okay. Now IoT percentage is not agreed அப்படின்னா law says what percentage? 0%. Yeah, why? Because in case of IOC, firm has to pay interest to the partner. So in the absence of the partnership deed, we are telling that if nothing is agreed, 0%. When it is ulta scenario where the partner has to pay the interest to the firm, here we can't put any percentage. No? So law has said, but to be fair, law said that if IOC is 0%, in the ulta scenario, IoT also will become 0%. So that will be fair to both of them. Is that okay? Is that okay? Is that okay? Chalo, great. Next is the concept of interest on loan by partner. Interest on loan by partner. My question to all of you, loan by partner means who is giving money to whom?
Partner to the firm.
Partner to the firm. Think and respond. I'm asking one more time. Interest on loan by partner means, first of all, loan. Who is giving to whom? Partner is giving loan to firm. Are you sure? Like this, I'll confuse you. You have to be very crystal clear. Forget this interest part. Focus on this part. Loan by partner. Loan given by partner. So partner is given this loan to whom? To whom? Firm. Very good. So here the partner has given the loan to the firm. What is the funds given? Capital or loan? In the above case here, what is given? Partner funded firm in form of capital. Now the same partner is funding the same firm, but the fund is not capital. It is called as loan. So who is enjoying whose money? Who is enjoying whose money? Firm is enjoying partner's money. So who has to pay interest to whom? Firm has to pay interest to the partner. Interest on loan by partner. If it is already agreed 12% in the partnership deed, Abdina, how much will you pay? 12% only. If there is any dispute, what will you say? Hey, donkey fellow, everything is agreed in the partnership deed. So do not argue. Matter resolved. Matter resolved. Okay, not okay. Okay. Problem comes when partnership deed not there, or partnership deed is there, but interest on loan by partner clause is not there, or partnership deed is there, interest on loan by partner clause is there, but what is missing? Percentage missing. Now dispute is coming. How will you resolve it? By referring to the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932. So what does law says here? Law has said to give 6% here. Oh my God. In case of loan, sorry, in case of interest on capital, it is 0%. Firm will not pay anything, Amma. You come back here, firm will not pay anything here. It is 0%. Then why here it is 6%? First doubt should come to your mind. Second doubt that should come to your mind is that this is also partner P. This is also partner P. In both the scenarios, the same partner is funding, one in form of capital, second in form of loan. Why have we given two different names to it? Capital is partner's money, loan is pakadudkara money, bank's money. Oh my God. I, partner, gave loan. I gave loan. How did I get that money? I took money from bank, Amma. When did I say that I gave the money to the firm as a loan? I borrowed like that money from the bank. When did I say? Let me rephrase my question one more time. Pratik sir, P, partner. First stage I gave money. I called that as partner's capital. In the second stage, same partner P, Pratik, is giving fund. But this fund is now termed as loan. Why difference? Same person is giving money one more time. No. Why two different terminology? Why do you call one amount as capital, another amount as loan? Huh? Firm will repay the loan. அப்ப capital என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? நான் சாப்பிட்டு அப்படியே போட்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடுவேன். கொடுக்க மாட்டேனா? In the event of closure of the business, you have to repay the capital also. So loan also has to be repaid. Capital also has to be repaid.
It's interesting.
Both things. அப்ப loan என்ன பண்றான்? Loan is for short period. Okay. How does it matter to me? How does it matter to me? Whether the loan is for a short period or long period, capital is for short period, long period, how does it matter to me?
You get the return faster than
Not exactly.
So anything happens, they also
Loan is for emergency, capital is for party.
Sir, no, sir.
Oh,
The loan has to pay the amount for anything will happen.
Again, one more time, this point konja rephrase pani. He said correctly, But I want proper version of this. You're very near to the point.
So if someone is giving loan to the
Ama.
if anything happens to the company, they will have to give the money to
If money is not there,
they
you are very near, but you deviated. Leave.
company will pay back the loan amount with interest.
If the firm becomes pauper, pauper मतलब bankrupt, पैसा नहीं है, नहीं है, खत्म हो गया. So your point is a failure in that case, no? Now, this you will understand only when I discuss with you the concept of charge against profit and item of appropriation. இது ரெண்டு பேசினா மட்டும்தான், when I make you understand these 2 points only, you'll understand why there is a difference. There's a beautiful logic behind it. Why, as a partner, first I gave capital. Second time when I gave it, I don't prefer giving in form of capital. I prefer in form of giving loan. There's a logical reason behind it. Don't think that if I give capital அப்படின்னா பணம் வராது. வரணும். That also should come back. Of course, you said one point correct. Losses will eat away the capital. If the firm is there in continuous losses அப்படின்னா, the losses will be subtracted from your capital. Recollect your 11th standard. Whatever is the net profit is added to the capital. If there's a loss, you minus from the capital. So losses will gradually eat away your capital. So one is that fear. That's why I prefer giving loan. Correct. But there's a big major point. One more major point, which I'll discuss if time permits in today's session or definitely in the upcoming class, which is the concept of charge against profit item or item of appropriation. So at that point, you'll understand it in better way. But as of now, I put a seed in your mind. When the partner is funding the money, why it is sometime as capital, sometime as loan. The seed I have put it, the exact answer of it is I'm meant to give. Is that okay? I've kept it pending. Okay, not okay. So law says here 6%. Law says here 6%. There's a reason behind it, logic behind it, which I will disclose if time permits in today's class or max to max in next class. Okay, not okay. Got it, not got it. Either today or next class. This suspense will get over. Next. Interest on loan to partner. Interest on loan to partner. Who is giving loan to whom? Loan is given to partner. Who is giving loan? Obviously, we are talking this in the context of partnership business. So if one person is partner receiving money apnina, the giving party will be what? Firm only. So firm is giving loan to the partner. Whose money who's enjoying? Firm's money, partner is enjoying. Firm's money, partner is enjoying. So who should compensate by paying interest? Partner has to pay interest to the firm. Partner has to pay interest to the firm. Now, if the interest is agreed 8% apnina, then what is the interest percentage? In the partnership deed, 8% is agreed. 8% only. Or else, partnership deed is not there. This partner is asking 8%. Firm also is okay to pay 8%. Dispute is there or not there? Dispute is not there. Kanna. Partner 80% கேட்டிருக்கான். Firm also agreed. There's no partnership deed. I asked 8%. Firm is ready to pay 8%. Is dispute there? When dispute is not there, will you go to provisions of Indian Partnership Act? No. In that case, what will you pay? Still 8% only. When will I make it 0%? When partnership deed is not there, dispute is happening. Or partnership deed is there, but clause with regard to interest on loan to partner is not there. Dispute is happening. Then I'll refer Indian Partnership Act. Or partnership deed is there, interest on loan to partner is there, but percentage is missing. Dispute is happening. Now I'll refer Indian Partnership Act 1932, which says that in such case it should be 0%, not 6%. 0%. 6% is when in case of interest on loan by partner, loan given by partner. Now here law is coming to the rescue of the partner. Who is law trying to protect here? Partner. Interest on loan by partner irukku illaya? Who's paying interest to whom? In case of interest on loan by partner, who's paying interest to whom? Loan by partner. Partner gave loan to the firm has to pay the interest. If interest is not agreed, law is telling that firm, you have to pay 6% to the partner. So who's getting safeguarded here? Partner is getting safeguarded here. From whom? From the manipulation of the firm. So law is trying to protect the partner here. In the next case, loan to partner, Who is giving loan to whom? Firm is giving loan to partner. If interest rate is not agreed upon, there's a dispute means now law is trying to again protect whom? Partner here. So law says that in that case, partner need not pay any interest to the firm. If firm want interest apnina in the partnership deed, you should have agreed. So in both the scenarios, who is being protected by whom? Partners is getting protected by law, which is Partnership Act 1932. Okay, not okay. Any problem? Clear or not clear? Clear? Partnership Act, na? Companies Act is coming only in one place. Which place? For setting up the maximum number of partners. Only that particular place, Companies Act is coming into picture. Everything is being governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932. Got it, not got it? Okay, not okay? Okay. Very quick question. In the absence of partnership deed, what is the profit sharing ratio? Equal. Don't say 1:1. It is equal. In the absence of partnership deed, what is interest on drawing? 0%. Interest on capital? 0%. Interest on loan to partner? Interest on loan to partner? Order paranga. Profit sharing ratio, interest on capital, interest on drawing. After that, I said that 6% wala point. No, what did I say? Interest on loan to partner. Again, 0%. Up 6% yaar karo. Interest on loan by partner. Okay, not okay? Okay. Now, remuneration, which is salary or commission. Yes or no? ABC 3 partners. ABC 3 partners. All the 3 are getting profit sharing ratio. All the 3 are getting profit sharing ratio. Out of ABC 3 partners, 2 partners are sleeping partner. Correct? 1 partner is active partner. He is doing all the work on behalf of the other 3 partners. He's doing extra work. For that extra work, what will he ask? Either salary or commission, which is fair or unfair? Fair. The amount of money what you invested, for the risk that you are taking in the business, for that you get the profit sharing ratio. Please understand, profit sharing ratio is for the risk taking. If all the 3 partners are taking equal risk, then we share the profits equally. Now, what is the risk here? Risk of losing money. Loss is nothing but risk now. I invested 1 lakh rupees. This 1 lakh can become 0 also, no? So risk is there or not about losing money. So profit sharing ratio is attributable to the risk taking capacity. So profit is given to that person who's taking the risk in the business. So all the 3 partners ABC are taking the risk of doing this business. So profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1. But apart from this, A is doing all the work on behalf of B and C. For doing that extra work, hard work, effort, will A charge something extra or not? Yes. Because if A is not paid that extra money, today A will be okay. Tomorrow, once the business grows, he will fight. What, yeah? From morning till evening, night, late night, I am slogging in the workplace. You guys are sitting at home and chilling. But at the end of the year, the profit is shared equally. You are not doing anything. You're getting the same profit as me, who's doing everything. So today A might be comfortable not taking salary, but 5 years later, he will say, Inada, 5 years I've worked hard. These donkeys are sitting at home and enjoying the money. I'm doing all the work. So I should get extra portion for the hard work what I'm doing. So 5 years later, A will have a fight with B and C. You don't want that fighting to happen in future means today you have to give a solution to it. In partnership business, it is very important to be transparent and fair right from day one. You should not take advantage of somebody today. A, let's suppose, is junior compared to B and C. So B and C, if today they take advantage of A being a junior, today A will, okay, but tomorrow when he becomes powerful after 5 years, no, when he feels that there is a unfairness towards him, he will explode out of anger. And once in partnership business, you explode out of anger and frustration, the relationship is spoiled. If the relation is spoiled, business ka thing is spoiled. Because in partnership business, people, the unity is very, very important. The basis for partnership business should be a good relationship. It can never be money. I'm telling for all of you also, tomorrow when you become an entrepreneur, you're doing partnership with anybody, always understand, if you want your partnership business to run long, the basis of that, the foundation, astivar enna relationship. It should be fair and transparent. You should never take undue advantage of the other person. Only then this business will run for a longer period. So in partnership business, we have to be careful in drafting each and every point. You should never have any point which is favorable only to you and unfavorable to other partners. So it is very important to have transparent things going on. So remuneration and salary commission is paid to that person who is bringing extra income to the business or putting in so much efforts compared to other people. So we give a reward to him in form of salary or commission. Salary is generally given monthly basis. Salary is generally agreed on monthly basis, whereas commission is agreed either on monthly basis or quarterly basis or half-yearly basis or annual basis. In most of the cases, commission is agreed on the annual basis. Got it? Not got it? So commission is annual, salary is monthly. Generally, it can change also, but generally I'm talking about. Now the question is, salary agreed 50,000 rupees per month to a partner, where in the partnership deed, if dispute comes, how much will you pay? 50 only, because that is what is agreed. Commission agreed 10%. In the partnership deed, if dispute comes, how much will you pay? Same 10%. Same 10%. It is already agreed. Now, this also is not agreed. This also is not agreed. So partnership deed it's not there, or partnership deed is there, but these points are missing. Apnina, dispute will happen. Yes or no? When dispute happens, what will you do? You will refer provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932. What does the law says here? In such case, the salary amount will be 0, commission amount will be 0%. Okay, not okay. Okay, not okay. So law says that if you're very particular that you want salary or commission apnina, you should have told your intention to the other partners before itself. You did not give the intention to other partners apnina. It is unfair to other partners that now you're asking it. If you're very particular that you wanted salary or commission apnina, you should have informed the other partners beforehand itself. For example, let's say all of us are partners. All of us are partners. We started a partnership business. At the end of 1 year, I'm telling, give me 10% commission. Will you feel good about it? What will you come and tell? Sir, if you're really wanting commission, if you had that intention of asking commission, you should have told us before itself. No, sir. Now, after doing 1 year of business, you're coming and asking, how is it fair? So for example, the fees you've paid. Okay, wow. You paid fees for the entire year. You paid fees for the entire year. At the end of the year, I tell you to pay another 10,000 rupees. அப்படினா எப்படி இருக்கும் உனக்கு? சத்தியமா இருக்கும். இப்போ அது காண்டா இருக்குன்றான். இருக்கும். யார் இருந்தாலும் இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி, if a partner at the end of the year is coming and asking salary and commission which is nobody agreed, is it fair? If you want this point, if you want the salary commission, you should have told us before itself. If not told it, you will not get it. Got it, not got it. So law is being fair here. You can't come and tell, no sir, in case of interest on capital or loan by partner, you came to the rescue of the partner. No, now again come to rescue of partner. Arey Baba, we have to come to rescue of all the partners. We can't be favorable to one partner. So here by making it 0, I'm trying to be favorable to other partners. Correct? So you have to stand neutral when you make the decisions. Got it, not got it. So law is very clear. In such case, the salary remuneration commission will be 0%, 0%, 0%. Got it, not got it. If all now, okay. Supri is telling that, sir, partnership is not there, sir. Salary, nothing agreed. A is asking 50,000 salary. B and C are agreeing and paying 50,000 salary. Dispute liye kana. So dispute is not there. Will you come and refer to this point here? The whole exercise of referring this document is only when there is a dispute. Then you'll go to law. If dispute is not there, apnina, no need to follow this. Got it, not got it. Got it, not got it. Yes, boss. Now the question what he's asking is, sir, partnership deed is there. Partnership deed is there? There. 10,000 is salary agreed. Salary agreed is 10,000 rupees. In the partnership deed, salary agreed is 10,000 rupees. Now this gentleman wants 25,000 salary. Can he get 25,000? No. What is agreed in the partnership deed, that only he can get it. If you are wanting or having the if you're having the intention to charge more, then you should have communicated this information to the partners, other partners in advance, and they should have agreed for it. By putting in supplementary agreement, they should have agreed for it. Then asking 25,000 salary is fair. You want 25,000 salary. You did not discuss with me at the time of commencement of work. Work முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீ 25,000 கொடுனா அப்ப நான் பேத்திக்காரனை கொடுக்குறேன். Imagine a painter is coming and doing the painting work. The amount fixed is 10,000. Okay, wow. After the work is done, if he's coming and asking you 30,000 rupees, is it fair? Tell me, is it fair? No. What is agreed will be paid. If you want something to be paid in advance, Aptina, before the work starts, you should have told me in advance. Yes or no? Yes or no? Inflation என்ன பண்ணும்? கடா inflation வரட்டும், deflation வரட்டும், என்ன வேணா வரட்டும். I am telling you that this is agreed. If you want to get salary more than 10,000 or less than 10,000 appadina, it should have been communicated to other partners and other partners has to agree. That is the rule. Okay, not okay. Point clear or not clear? If you are wanting to deviate from what is there in partnership deed means you have to come out with a supplementary agreement or cancel the old agreement and come out with the new terms and conditions. Then you can go with the upgraded salary. Until the partnership deed is modified, until something is agreed otherwise, you will continue with the same old partnership deed with same old data. Yes, boss. So my question to you, all of you, is in case of absence of partnership deed, what is the profit sharing ratio? 1 second, ma. What is the profit sharing ratio? Equal. Interest on capital, 0%, not allowed. Interest on drawing, not charged, 0%. Interest on loan by partner, 6%. Now this point, I meant to discuss. The last point is there, no? I meant to discuss. If time permits, I'll discuss today. If not, then in the next class. Got it, not got it. Last point I meant to discuss. It's the game changer. This point, if you understand, no, then you'll understand the difference between why the partner is sometimes giving as capital and sometimes giving as loan. Next, interest on loan to partner, 0%. Interest is not charged on the loan given to partner. You will not believe this fifth point was not there in this TS Grewal book until last year. You can take the previous year book and see this point was not there in the TS Grewal book. This year only they've added. But I added this point 3 years ago. Interest on loan to partner, 0%. Okay, not okay. Anyways, coming back. Remuneration, salary, commission to partner. If not agreed, partnership deed is not there. It will not be paid. It is 0, 0, 0. Okay, not okay. Okay. Next is admission of a partner. Anushriti, correct agana? You followed TS Grewal book last year? In that fifth point was there? Correct. Correct. He's 12 CBSE last year batch student. Currently doing CA foundation. So I just wanted to cross confirm and tell you that what I'm telling is true. Next is admission of a partner. Admission of a partner. New partner cannot be admitted unless all the partners agree. Example. A, B, C are 3 partners. They have a partnership deed. Okay, wow. In that, they have something called as admission clause. Admission clause. In the admission clause, they have not mentioned anything specific. Nothing they have mentioned. Apnina, to admit a new partner, let's say D, law says A, B, C, all the 3 has to agree. This is also called as rights of the partner. Got it, not got it? If a new partner is coming inside the business, Apnina, it is the right of all the 3 partners to be consulted about it and given the opinion about it. Got it, not got it? Now, my question to all of you, in the partnership deed, under the admission clause, exclusive power is given to C. C is the ultimate deciding authority to admit a new partner or not. Apdina, in future, C wants D to come as a partner. A and B are objecting, telling that no, D cannot come as a partner. Now, what is the consequences? I repeat my point one more time. The point is that there's a partnership deed. In the partnership deed, in the admission clauses, all the 3 partners are given the power to C to decide who should get admitted in future. And in the partnership deed, all the 3 are signed, giving the exclusive power to C about admitting the partner. Now, today, present scenario, C wants to admit D as a partner. A and B are objecting it. Who will win here? C will win or A and B will win? C will win. Why C will win? Because he has got an exclusive power in the partnership deed. So whatever is agreed in partnership deed, that we will follow. Got it, not got it? Sir, this point is not there in partnership deed, sir. Upon now, then all the partner has to agree for D to come as a new partner. In that case, if A, B object, can D come as a partner? No, because all the 3 has to agree for D to come as a partner. Got it, not got it? So law says that in the admission clause, if there is nothing contrary to this is agreed, Apnina, To admit a new partner, all of the partners has to agree. Got it? Not got it? Can I go forward? Some more points in the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Important few more points. Very, very important from the examination perspective also. If all the partners agree, if all the partners agree, a minor may be added to the benefit of partnership. What is the meaning of the word may? May means optional. Optional. Shall means compulsory. Shall means compulsory. May means optional. Who has given the meaning of this may and shall? I gave it. It's law given. Law has given the interpretations of certain words. How do you interpret the word may? How do you interpret the word shall? The law has given the explanation to it. So law says that whenever they've used the word may, it means it is optional. So adding minor as a partner to the partnership firm, is it mandatory? Is it compulsory? No, it's a choice. Whose choice? Shankesh, it's whose choice? All the partners. Only if all the partners agree. Shankesh, if all the partners agree, a minor can be added to the benefit of partnership business. My question to all of you. Can a minor share profit in the partnership firm?
Yes, sir.
Can a minor share profit in the partnership firm? Yes. Can a minor share a loss in the partnership firm? No. A minor upon becoming major, within how many months he has to give his approval to continue? 6 months from the date of his birthday. If he does not give the approval, then what happens? He'll be treated as a deemed partner. Means he'll be treated as a partner. Now he'll be liable for all the liabilities. From what date? From the day he became the minor partner. Correct? This point, at least can I say 4 times we have revised in last 1 week? If I wake you up in the middle of the night, I don't know what is middle of your night. My middle night is 3 p.m. Sorry, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. in the morning is middle of the night. Some of you people go to sleep only 4 a.m. in the morning. No? If I wake you up in the middle of the night and I also ask this question, will you answer this? Yes. This is the power of revision. This is the power of revision. Imagine like this. If you keep on revising till your board exam, do you think you'll forget these points? No. But how do you forget certain things during the board exam? Or when the board exam is nearby, why do we forget? Due to inadequate revision. Inadequate revision is happening because of what? Your laziness only. You are feeling lazy to sit and study. That's why you don't remember. Panic எல்லாம் ஒரு மண்ணாங்கட்டியும் கிடையாது. இந்த மூஞ்சி வந்து இப்போல இருந்து போர்டு எக்ஸாம் வரைக்கும் ஒரு 100 டெஸ்ட் கொடுக்கும். What panic will come? Is that in your head only? If it comes in the head, I'll tell you how to handle also. But forget, take it from your mind that you will feel anxiety or in panic because till your board exam, no, you would have written 100 of tests in school and in academy. 100 of tests. 100 month test to go and write in board exam and come. Big deal. What are you talking? Panic, anxiety. You didn't give a 10 board exam? How much panic and anxiety you were into? And update shiver right இருந்தீங்களா? அப்புறம் என்ன? Now, Section 30 of Indian Partnership Act 1932 says that if all the partners agree, a minor may be added to the benefit of partnership. Sir, do we need to remember all the sections? Not required. It is not applicable at your level. Not applicable at your level. Just pointers are important. Important to remember the points, not sections. What does Section 31 says? A person may be admitted as a partner. A person may be admitted as a partner. They're talking about admission of a partner. Either with the consent of all the partners. Means what? If A, B, C are 3 partners apdina, D will be added to the partnership only when all the 3 agree. Or in accordance with agreement among the partners. A, B, C 3 partners. In the partnership deed, we gave exclusive power to C to admit D as a partner. So in that case, if A and B object, anything will happen? Nothing will happen. Still C can bring D on board. Got it? Not got it? Okay, not okay. So if agreement is not telling anything specific apdina, to admit a new partner, all of them has to agree. Or do what the partnership deed says. If partnership deed is given exclusive right to C only, or B and C together, or A and B is given right apdina, as per partnership deed, you admit the person. Got it? Not got it? Who's saying this? Section 31 of Indian Partnership Act 1932. Next, a partner may retire from the firm either with the consent of all the partners or in accordance with the agreement among the partners. Generally, what happens is, any retirement clause is not there appadina, generally what happens is that the partner who wants to retire, the person who intends to retire, he has to give a notice to the firm telling his intention and reason why he wants to retire. Right? Now, let's say I'm one of the partner in the partnership firm. I want to retire because of my health issues, or let's say my personal reasons, or because of any other incident or accident or whatever it is. Can I quit the firm tomorrow itself? Or let's say there's a partner who's doing quite well, no health issues, nothing. He wants to do some of his personal business separately, individually. Appadina, today inform panni, tomorrow can he quit the business? No. Why?
Notice.
Why he has to give to notice? No, notice he has to give. He gave notice also, but next day he left also. Today the person gave the notice telling that from tomorrow I'm not coming to the firm. I will not take care of my business. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு போயிட்டான். Is it right? No. You have to serve something called as notice period. There's something called as notice period. Even all of you tomorrow, when you go to any job, any company, and if you want to resign from your job, you have to serve a minimum notice period of 15 days to 1 month minimum. It can go up to 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months, depending upon what is your role in that company. For example, when I was working in Deloitte, I was in a good position. I was handling a lot of responsibilities. So that company said very clearly, Pratik, if you're resigning from your position, appadina, you have to give a notice period of 2 months. Why? Because in that 2 months, the company will get an opportunity to get a person who can replace my position. And once that person is hired, I need to train him also. Correct? No? Because I was handling some important position. So I have to hand over that position to that fellow and go so that the business is not affected. The business should not get affected. Got it? Not got it? Same way, when I went to the other company, there the notice period was 3 months because my position there was even more stronger. The position there was even more stronger. I had a lot of responsibilities. I was the head of the accounts and finance department. So there was a lot of responsibilities on my shoulder. So that company said that, Pratik, you have to serve a minimum notice period of 3 months. Why? Because just like that, you can't get any person, new person. The company will do interview, shortlist and select the person. To do all that, 1 month will go, 2 months will go. After that, once the new person comes inside, I have to tell him from morning till evening what routine I do. I have to inform him. I have to train him. So that will take 3 months. So notice period has to be served for 3 months. It can be 4 months also. It can be 6 months also. Got it? Not got it? So whatever is agreed in the partnership agreement, as per that you have to follow. It is very unfair if a partner gives a notice today and retires tomorrow. It is very unfair. Got it? Not got it? So a partner may retire from the firm either with the consent of all the partners. If consent is not coming, then whatever is agreed in the partnership agreement, as per that you can retire. Got it? Not got it? Any problem? Any difficulty? No problem. Can I go forward? Next. Registration of the firm is optional and not compulsory. We spoke about 2 points. One is having agreement. Second is registration. Out of agreement and registration, which is compulsory, which is optional? Agreement is compulsory. Registration is optional. Agreement is of 2 types. Oral and writing. In this oral writing, which is compulsory?
Writing.
Both are choice given. It is optional. Agreement is compulsory, but the mode of agreement is optional. Either you can have it as oral or in writing. Got it? Not got it?
But writing is preferred.
Writing is preferred. Agreed. If it is there in writing, it is called as partnership deed. What is registration then?
So registration is registering a company with the government or Indian partnership.
Correct. So this partnership deed, what you've signed, no. That if you register with the government, local government, respective state government, that is called as registration. That is not compulsory. That is optional. But if you're creating LLP or companies, their registration is mandatory. Without registration, the birth of the company will not happen. The birth of the LLP will not happen. But here the partnership will come into existence. The birth will happen without registration also. To create the partnership business, what is required? Partnership deed is required. If that is there, appadina, you can start your business. That leads to creation of artificial person. Got it? Not got it? Okay. Registration of partnership firm is optional and not compulsory. Now, a firm is dissolved on death of a partner. Oh my God. Listen to this, very, very important. Confirm question will come from this point. A firm is dissolved on the death of a partner unless otherwise agreed by a partner in the partnership deed. I read the line ulta because this is the correct way of reading it. I'm start பண்ண என்னன்னு தெரியுமா? Unless otherwise agreed by partners in partnership deed, the firm is dissolved on the death of a partner. He has complicated the English language. By reading the sentence ulta, I made it simplified. What did I read? A firm is dissolved on the death of a partner. A, B, C are three partners. C died. Firm will dissolve. If you do not want the firm to dissolve அப்படின்னா, in the partnership deed, under the death clause, you should have mentioned that even one of the three partners died. The firm will still continue அப்படிங்கிறது you should have mentioned in the clause. If it is mentioned means then you can continue with the business or else the firm will dissolve. Who is saying that? Law is telling. Where is law telling? In section 35. In section 35, law is telling that the firm will be dissolved upon the death of even one partner unless otherwise agreed. If otherwise I agree that, okay, even if C dies, let A and B continue like that. If it is agreed appadina, then the business can continue. Got it, not got it? Yes. Okay, I'm coming. Somebody called in between for doubt. You called me that time.
In between, the workload of a partner increases.
Okay, your doubt is with regard to retirement. Salary. Okay, I'll take that doubt what she asked. Kana, what is your doubt? Can you please come in? Okay, now the question she's telling that, sir, A, B, C are three partners. In that B and C died. Now what will happen? Now, if the clause is not there about the continuation of the firm has to dissolve. But if the clause is there, even after the death of the partner, the firm will continue means then the firm will be given a fair chance to appoint a partner as a replacement to B and C. Please understand it to be very, very practical. See, B and C died. Did they voluntarily die? We don't know. But we believe that they died because of other reasons. Appadina, you can't tell no, oh, you're going to die tomorrow. So if you die tomorrow, 3 minus 2, appadina one partner. So I have to appoint one partner today, then you die tomorrow. Can we plan that way? Retirement can be planned. Can you plan death? No. So in that case, law will give you a fair chance that once B and C dies, you're left with only one partner. You'll be given a stipulated period within which you have to hire one more partner, at least called as D. Then you can continue. Up to a stipulated period, if the person is not getting another partner appadina, he has to close the business. Now that stipulated period can be agreed in the partnership deed. Law does not say anything is the point here. In law, if you ask, is there any point which law says, no, a person can continue as a single partner for 3 months, 6 months, like that law says appadina? Law does not say. So there is a loophole in the law here. You can take advantage of that. Got it, not got it? Is the doubt clarified? Okay, your doubt, Kana. One second.
In between one of the partners, workload increases.
Okay.
In proportion to that, the salary will also increase.
Okay, now the question what is asking is, A, B, C are three partners. In that C is either retiring or dying. Appadina, the workload of this will fall either on the head of B or A. If a new partner is not coming appadina, C or the workload who will handle either A or B. So if B is handling the responsibility means for doing that extra work, will he get salary appadina? Possibility is there. But for that, B has to agree that in advance with A. So after C's retirement or death, if B is taking over the responsibility of C, if his workload is increasing, and if he wants extra payment for that extra workload appadina, he should give that information to A that he is intending to charge more salary in the future because he's taking extra workload. Like that, if A agrees appadina, then no problem. But if A does not agree means then B cannot get that extra salary. Yeah. So here what happens is that whenever any admission, retirement or death happens, correct? The old partnership deed will be cancelled, and in place of that, new partnership deed will be created, the new terms and conditions. Got it, not got it? We'll learn about this point at least 10 times more in future. Got it, not got it? Okay, not okay? Tell me, I'm asking all of you only. Clear, no? Open your mouth, open your mouth. Okay, now. The partners may change. Now there's a question. The partners wants to change the partnership deed and include new clauses. Can they do it? Yes, if all of them agree, in that case, they can change the clause. But what are they supposed to do? Cancel the old partnership deed and come out with the new partnership deed. If the points to change are too many, The points to change are hardly 1 or 2 point apdina. Then keep the main partnership deed as it is. Come out with supplementary agreement. Attach that supplementary agreement to the main partnership deed. Got it? Not got it? Clear? Not clear? Okay.
Now, a partner is limited liability.
If a partner is
Limited liability.
okay.
Then in the death of the business can continue. So it does not dissolve.
Partner is limited liability. Appadina?
The partner is limited liability. First, the self and
Partner is limited liability.
Partner is limited liability. So single partner is limited liability. That is changes.
But partnership business there's no limited liability. No, everything is unlimited. என்ன படிச்சீங்க?
Partner not limited liability. Some other partners are unlimited liability. On the death of the partner.
Are you talking in the context of LLP or partnership? Bring that book. Let me study that one more time. Because what context you've understood, I don't know. So I don't want to answer that right now. You bring that book. Let me read that. Then we'll decide. Now, I will discuss one more point. Liabilities of partner. But before that, let me do one question with all of you. Illustration 1, people. Too much of theory happened. Now it's time to do question. Illustration 1. Are you all ready? Can we start? Online people, video is missing. There no video. Prakriti, Darshan, Pavitra, Dikshita. I want video. Everyone. Aryan, Adya, Ananya is missing. Hello. Can I read this question for all of you? It says that Amar, Karan and Charu are partners in a firm and they do not have partnership deed or agreement. Oh my God. So there is neither partnership deed nor agreement. Deed means in writing. Agreement means maybe oral also is missing. So oral agreement also is not there. Writing also is not there. Okay. First point says that Amar had invested more capital than other partners. Let's say Amar ka capital investment is 10 lakh. Karan invested 1 lakh. Charu invested 1 lakh. So can I say Amar has invested capital more than the other partners? Okay, not okay. And he demands interest on capital at 10% per annum. But Karan and Charu did not agree with him. So who is correct here? Who is wrong here? As per law. Technically Amar is correct. Since he's given more capital, he wants interest. Correct? He's trying to be fair. But as per law, in the absence of partnership deed, interest on capital is 0%. So will Amar get any interest here? No. So Karan and Charu did not agree. Are they right? Yes. As per law. If Amar was very particular that he wanted interest, in the partnership deed, in the interest on capital clause, he should have agreed the percentage. By not doing that, he is now at a loss. Okay, let's read the answer. The partners do not have the partnership deed or agreement. Therefore, in such case, if any dispute is arising apdina, the provisions of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 will apply to resolve the matter. So interest on capital is not allowed to the partners. Therefore, Amar will not be allowed interest on capital. Okay, not okay. Any difficulty? Tell me. Sure. Can I continue? Okay. Second point. Karan, the second partner, devotes more time to the business, and therefore, since he's giving more time to the business, he is demanding a salary of 15,000 per month. But Amar and Charu did not agree with him. What will you suggest as a CA? Let's say all of you are CA. This is your client, and client is coming and fighting with you. Please understand, if there is any fight between the client, within the client, if there is any fighting apdina, the first place where they'll go and try to resolve is CA's office. I'm telling you, I've handled such cases. It'll come to CA's office. You tell me as a CA, what will you suggest? Either CA or CS, or any lawyer also is fine. Karan is asking 15,000 per month salary. Will he get or not? No, he'll not get. The donkey fellow. He is devoting more time there. Oh, so you're trying to say that since in the partnership deed this point is not agreed or deed is not missing, you'll not get salary.
Sir, you will not get more extra salary.
Fixed salary சொல்லிருக்கு. இப்போ பேசுறது 15,000 salary. இது கிடைக்குமா கிடைக்காதா? Kadi kya there? If Karan was very particular that he wanted salary, then what he should have done? He should have created partnership deed. In that partnership deed, he should have mentioned in the salary clause, I want 15,000 salary, and Prem, everybody should have signed it. Everybody should have signed it. Got it, not got it? That only. You said fixed salary something. That tunnel, I don't know what you're talking about. Nonsense. Now, had Karan studied this partnership topic in 12th standard from Pratik sir, this mistake you'd have done? No. He'll be very clear. 5 years ago, 8 years ago, we studied partnership in Pratik sir, where sir said, if I want salary up to now, partnership deed should be there. Now, 5 years down the line, 8 years down the line, when you create a firm, partnership firm, will you forget this point? You tell me. Online people, will you forget this point? No. Knowledge is very important. So whatever you're studying today, please understand, you're not studying only for the sake of studying from the board examination point of view. This is something that you'll apply in your real life in future. All of you are commerce people. You may end up doing business sometime in the future. When you don't know. Some people, they start business in the initial phase of life. Some people, they do job for several years. Then they get frustrated. Then they will be like, let's start a business. I've seen so many people like that. So it is very important that you should have a business sense, of course, plus the law knowledge. Got it, not got it? Yes, boss. Somebody is asking something. Nobody? Can I continue? Yes. I'll port later na. Now what he's telling is, sir, if he wants his salary up na, can I put a supplementary agreement to it? First of all, partnership deed itself is not there. Main deed itself is not there. So if Karan wants his salary up na, for the work that he's done in the past, for that nothing he can get. But what can be done, you know? From now onwards, we can make a partnership deed. From now onwards, Karan can get a salary. But we are talking about what has happened already. Please understand. This question is a question where the partners have done the business already for 1 year. Karan has worked every month here. Somewhere at the end of the year is coming and asking salary. So can the salary be given in the past period? No. But if Karan wants a salary in future Aptina, today he will force the partners to have partnership deed. In future he can get it. But he can't get in the past. Got it, not got it. Now the question what Prem is asking is, what if the partnership deed is not being entered by the partners? Karan is asking that let's enter into partnership deed. Other two are objecting Aptina. You have two choices. Either continue or quit the business. Nobody can compel you to do the partnership business. It's your choice. If you feel that they're not doing partnership deed, they're very unfair to you, better leave the firm. Purnjida. For every problem, there's a solution. For every problem, there's a solution. Without? Notice period you have to give. Now here, let's say, okay, now you're telling notice period. See, please understand. Here, there's no partnership deed. Karan is asking for a partnership deed so that he can get a salary in future. But the other two partners are objecting Apnina. Definitely the partner can retire, but he has to serve a notice period. Minimum notice period. If he does not serve the notice period, Karan can say, get lost, I'm going from tomorrow. He can go, nobody will object. But is it ethical is what you have to say. Purida. See, as per Partnership Act, it's not very stringent, people. This 1932 Act, all the points they have not covered. So if Karan immediately leaves the business and go next day, the other two partners can drag him into the court telling that this is cheating, he can't do all that. So let's not go too much in deep also. Wherever law is playing their role, let's stop with that. Too much deep inside, if we go up, then we are playing now the role of a judge. Let's not go too much deep. What law says, we'll stick on to that. Got it, not got it. Okay, next point. Third point says, Charu, the third partner, demands interest on loan to the firm. Why is Charu demanding interest on loan? Because Charu gave loan. Charu gave loan. How much loan she gave? 5 lakh. Now, what is her demand? How much she wants? 12%. Will Charu get 12% or not? No. Why? 12%. No. Loan given. No. Oh, partnership deed is missing. In the absence of partnership deed, interest on loan by partner is 6%. Loan given by Charu to the firm. So loan by partner to the firm. Loan by partner. Loan by partner. In the absence of partnership deed, interest is 6%. 6% on what? 5 lakh. Now this 5 lakh loan is given when? Have they given the date? No. In the absence, we'll assume that the loan is given by Charu in the beginning of the financial year. Got it, not got it? When Charu gave the loan, the date of giving loan is not given. What will you assume? In the beginning of the financial year. So throughout the year, the money is enjoyed. No. Whose money who enjoyed? Charu's money, firm enjoyed. For how many months? 12 months. Can you please calculate interest? 5 lakh into 6 by 100. Got it, not got it? Got it, not got it? How many months? 12 months. Into 12 months by 12 months. How much it is? 30,000. Got it, not got it? Charu is demanding interest of 12%. Will she get 12%? She is asking 60,000. 5 lakh at 12% is 60,000. Will she get 60,000? No. How much she can get maximum? 30,000. Who is telling that? Law. Indian Partnership Act 1932 says. Fantastic. Point number 4. Amar withdrew 1 lakh from the firm for his personal use. Any money withdrawn from the business for personal use? Drawings. Amar withdrew 1 lakh from the business as drawings. Karan and Charu demand interest on drawing to be charged from him 10%, to which Amar says, get lost, I will not pay. Who will win here? Will Amar win or Karan Charu win? Amar will win, because in the absence of partnership deed, IOD percentage is 0%. IOD percentage is 0%. For point number 2, salary remuneration will not be payable because partnership is missing. In that case, Karan will not get salary. Interest on loan by partner is payable at 6%. How much it is? 5 lakh ka 6%, which is 30,000. And interest on drawing by Amar will not be charged. Will not be charged. Any difficulty so far? Clear? Now, 5th one. Profit for the year. Profit for the year. Which profit? Net profit. For the year before the above claims were made, before we did above adjustments, is 4,80,000 rupees. Amar demands profit be distributed in the capital ratio. He wants the profit to be distributed in the capital ratio. Whereas Karan and Charu says that no, profit will be shared equally. Now tell me people, what is the profit sharing ratio here? In the if the partnership deed is missing, then the profit will be shared in the equal ratio. Equal ratio. Okay. Can you please tell me the amount of profit? How much will each one of them get? Can you calculate and tell me the amount? Do tell me fast first amount. 1 lakh? 160. Somebody is telling 160. Somebody is telling 150. 1 lakh 60. 160. 150. How much? 150 is not there? 150. Okay. Okay. Somebody is telling 150. Somebody is telling 160. Give me 2 more options. Let's play Kaun Banega Crorepati. Come on.
Sir, 150.
1 rupiah. Now, wait, I'll tell the answer. Guys, 4,80,000 is the net profit before the above adjustments. What is above adjustment? The first adjustment is talking about interest on capital. Please tell me, interest on capital is how much percentage here? It is 0. Yes or no? Next is what? Second point talks about salary. Salary is how much here? 0. Interest on loan by partner, how much it is? 30,000 agreed. So from this 480, is 30,000 already subtracted or we are yet to subtract? Look at the language. The language says that the profit is 480 before minusing. Before means before minusing above claim. In 11th standard, we did one topic called as manager's commission. Manager's commission is 10% before charging commission. That time I told you the word and the significance of the word before charging. Before charging means what? Before minusing. Before minusing. So whenever the word before above claim comes means from this 4,80,000, this interest of 30,000 is yet to be deducted. Okay, not okay. My question to all of you, interest on loan by partner, 30,000 will I add or minus? Add or minus? Minus means expenditure, add means income. Is this expense or income? How do you say this is expense? Loan by partner. Loan is given by partner to the firm. Partner's money who's enjoying? Firm is enjoying. For enjoying this money, who has to pay interest to whom? Firm has to pay interest to the partner. Firm has to pay interest to the partner. Firm has to pay up Tina. It is expenditure. So minus 30,000. Tell me the balance profit. 4,50,000 is balance profit. Now divide this equally into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. How much it is? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is the right answer. Right answer. Right answer. Okay, not okay. Profit after minusing interest on loan is 450. So 480 is profit before interest. From that, if I minus 30,000 interest, I'm getting 450, which is profit after interest. So before interest means what? Before minusing interest. After interest means what? After minusing interest. Okay, not okay. Clear or not clear? One more time I'm asking all of you. If they say profit before interest means interest is subtracted or not subtracted? All of you, focus here. Listen to me. Answer now. I'm asking very important question. If I tell you profit before interest means interest is subtracted or not subtracted? You're not answering now. Interest, profit before interest means interest is not subtracted. Profit after interest means it is subtracted. Got it? Not got it? Okay. And that profit 450, if I distribute equally, how much will I get for each partner? 150, 150, 150. Any problem? 6 point. Karan, one of the partner, wants to introduce his son Inder as a partner. Charu objects his proposal. Who is correct here? Who is not correct here? Charu is correct here. Charu is correct here. Karan cannot bring in his son as a new partner. Why? In the absence of partnership deed, to admit a new partner, all the partner has to agree. If one partner objects it, then you cannot bring in the new partner. So here Karan wants to introduce Inder as his partner, son as a partner. To which Amar is okay. But who's objecting? Charu is objecting. To add Inder as a partner, Karan, Charu, Amar, all the three has to agree. If Charu objects it, Inder cannot come as a partner. Okay, not okay. But imagine if partnership deed is there and the exclusive power is given to Karan to decide about admission of Tina. Do we need to get the opinion from Chandar? Sorry, do we need to get any opinion from Charu? No. So we will add Inder as a partner directly. Got it, not got it? So Charu plus Inder, I did Chandar. Oh my God, crazy fellow. Me. Okay, 7th point. Firm has given loan to Karan. Oh my God. Firm has given loan to Karan. So it is loan by partner, loan to partner. Loan to partner. Amar and Charu demand that he should be charged 6% interest. In the absence of partnership deed, interest on loan to partner is 0%. 0%. This point is, I think, newly introduced or not, I don't know, but okay. A partner cannot be admitted without the consent of all the partners. Therefore, Inder cannot be admitted as a partner because Charu has objected it. Whereas for 7th point, interest is not charged on loan to partner unless partnership deed or agreement provides for charging. Since partnership deed is not there here, interest will not be charged from Karan. Interest will not be charged from Karan. Any problem? How will the above issues be resolved is what they're asking. Any doubts? Go home, take this question one more time, do by your own self. Now once, that is either today or tomorrow you try to do it. Give a gap of 1 week, preferably coming Sunday or next Sunday. Take this one more time and try to solve it. If you're able to get the answer up now, you will mark this question as easy question. What will you do? You'll mark this question as easy question. You have to segregate the questions into 3 parts. Easy questions, medium questions and tough questions. In pencil, not in pen. Today some question will seem very tough or medium level. But with time, with practices, know that medium question will become easy. Tough will become medium. Sometimes the tough can remain tough also. Now why I'm telling to segregate is because somewhere in the November, December month, you have to finalize that whether all these questions are easy, medium or tough. Easy up to now, during the board exam, even if you don't go through, you can still manage because easy questions are those questions which is gone into your memory deep down. You will never forget it. So one day before the board exam also, if you miss to revise it, nothing to worry, you will be able to recollect it. Medium question up to now, at least before the board exam, 1 week before the board exam or 10 days before the board exam, at least once you have to glance it. Then only in board exam you will remember. Tough question means compulsory before the board exam you have to go through or work out. So segregating this is very, very important. This, if you do it, you'll be calling yourself as a smart working person. Got it? Not got it? People say, no, don't be a hard worker, be a smart worker. People are wrong. You have to be both hard worker and smart worker. It should be a combination of both. Hard work wherever required, you have to do it. Smart work wherever required, we have to do it. Is the door open or closed? Close it. If this is okay, can I go to the next question? Illustration 2. It says that Harry and Gary are partners in a firm. What a name, rhyming name. Harry, Gary. They do not have partnership deed. Oh my God. Means partnership agreement in writing is not there, but had agreed on following. So agreed means what? Agreement is there. Which type of agreement is there? Oral agreement is there. Is oral agreement valid or invalid? 100% valid. 100% valid. Okay, not okay? Okay. Salary to be paid to Harry 10,000 per month. So what is agreed? Orally, what is agreed? Orally, it is agreed that Harry will get a salary of 10,000 rupees per month. This is what is orally agreed. Any problem? No problem. Gary will get a commission of 10% on net profit. Yes or no? Salary means something which you get every month. Commission means you will always get at the end of the year. Why? Because it is 10% of net profit. When do you get to know the exact net profit? At the end of the year. Only when net profit is known to you, you can get your commission. Appana, this is paid annually. Commission is paid generally annually. Okay, not okay? Okay. Interest to be allowed on capital is how much agreed? 10%. So IOC agreed is 10%. IOC agreed is 10%. Any problem? How have they agreed? In writing or oral? Orally agreed. Orally agreed 10%. Okay. Partners cannot admit unless both of them agree. So orally what they told? Either Harry or Gary, if they want to admit as a new partner up to both of them have to approve it. Only then a new partner can come in. Any problem? No problem. Now, how the following disputes will be resolved. So basically, now there's a dispute between Harry and Gary. Now the following two disputes, how will you resolve is what they're asking you. So can you guide us? Okay. The first dispute is Gary demands salary. What did we promise Gary? Gary was promised commission. Now he wants what? Demands salary equal to salary of Harry. Whom did we commit for salary? Harry. So we said, Harry, you will get 10,000 per month salary. Whereas for Gary, we committed a commission of 10% of net profit. This fellow says that, no, I have monthly expenditure. I have monthly commitment, personal commitment at home. I can't wait for the one entire year for my commission. So like how you are getting monthly salary, no, give me also monthly salary. Who is asking? Gary is asking. To which Harry is not accepting. Upon then a conflict is coming. When will conflict come? When both are having two opposite points. So Gary says, give me monthly salary. Harry says, no, I will not give it. Now there's a conflict. Now these two people are coming to you. How will you resolve this matter? Will you give Gary salary of 10,000 per month or not? Online people, what do you say? Will you give or not? Poor fellow, Gary at home, he wants money, man. He's asking with puppy face. He's having tear also in his eyes. Such a store-hearted people you are. You not give him salary? No. When you are a lawmaker, when you are standing from the law perspective, you cannot be emotional. You will go what law says. So the stand is very clear. Gary will not get a salary equal to Harry because that is not agreed upon. If Gary wants the salary, maybe for the upcoming months, he can agree and get it. But for the past, he cannot get it. Partnership agreement may be written or oral. Both are valid. Both are valid. Whether it is in writing or oral, both are valid. Therefore, the terms agreed orally between Harry and Gary is a valid agreement. Okay. The demand of Gary to pay salary equal to salary of Harry is not valid in the view of the agreement. So whatever agreement has been done, in view of that, Gary's demand that he wants salary equal to Harry is not acceptable, is what law is telling, and we stand by law. Any problem? This is why I chose to resolve it. How do you resolve it? Same way? Okay. Next problem. Harry demands that his son, Harry demands that his son Sherry be admitted as a partner for 25% share to be given out of his share of profit. Gary does not agree to share his admission as a partner. Listen to me very carefully. Look at the situation, decide then accordingly. Harry and Gary are having 50-50 partnership. 50%, 50%. Any problem? This is Harry, this is Gary, 50%. So Harry says that I want to admit my son as a partner. You don't give anything from your part. From my part, 50% is there. No, 25% will give to Sherry. So remaining 25% is there with whom? Harry. Gary is having still same 50%. Gary is having same 50%. Apana, because of admission of Sherry, Gary's percentage is not affecting. Correct? So Harry wants Sherry to come as a partner, to which Gary is not accepting. So can Sherry come in as a new partner? Understand, because of admission of a new partner, Gary is not in loss. His share is not affected. Think and tell me now.
No, sir.
Straight answer, no. Whether Gary's share of profit is changing or not changing, that is irrelevant. Agreement பண்ணும்போது என்ன பேசியிருக்கோம்? What did we promise? If you want to bring new partner அப்படின்னா, both of us has to agree அப்படின்னு பேசியிருக்கோம். Here, you are okay, I am not okay அப்படின்னா, you should not bring Sherry as a partner. Because Gary does not want a third person to come inside the firm and make the decision. Gary, Harry, same age. Partners of same age, it is fine. If Harry's son come up, there is an age gap to which Gary is not comfortable. He may have his own point to justify. Harry may have his own point to justify, but that is not important. What was in principle agreed? It was agreed that to bring in new partner, both have to agree. In this case, Sherry is coming in as a new partner. Harry is okay, but Gary is not okay. So can Harry bring in Sherry inside? No. Sherry will not be admitted as a partner because Gary has objected to his becoming a partner. Got it, not got it? Any difficulty? No problem? Can I continue? 2 illustrations done. So come back. Very, very important point I have to discuss. Liabilities of partner. This is one area where I'm still waiting the question to be asked. Beautiful area. If you want to screw, if the examiner wants to screw you, this is a beautiful point. Mark this important. Now listen to me very carefully. A, B, C are 3 partners. A, B, C are 3 partners. They are having a jewelry shop or jewelry business by name ABC Jewelers. Any problem? Any problem? No problem. After a couple of months or years, he started a new business called as C Jewelers. And you know what business he's doing? He's doing the same business as what is being done in ABC. Okay, va? And this business, what he started, no, he has not informed A and B. So first point is, C has started a new business called as C Jewelry, which is in competition to ABC Jewelers. It is in competition to ABC Jewelers. Anything is very bad? Sorry. In competition to ABC Jewelers. So first point is, the C Jeweler is a competitor of ABC Jeweler. And this business C has started without informing AB 2 partners. Now tell me people, what C did is right or wrong? Right, okay. How many of you feel what is done is right? Not right, not wrong. Okay, we'll give options. Those who say right. So you are telling that if you are A and B, if C is starting a business in competition with ABC Jewelers, you guys are okay. உன் பார்ட்னர் உன் கடைக்கு முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்து ஒரு பிசினஸ் நடத்திட்டு இருக்கான், வரப்போற கிளைண்ட் எல்லாம் வாங்கோ வாங்கோ இங்க வாங்கோ நான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கூப்பிட்டு உனக்கு ஓகேவா? Think, be practical, understand. Once again, I'm coming. This is ABC Jewelers. This is road. This is C Jewelers. புரியுதா? Client customer is going here, but C Jewelers ka staff is calling the customer here, telling that come, I'll give you one extra glass of juice, I'll give you cold drink, tea, coffee, bhaji, bonda, I'll give 1% extra discount also, you come. And like that, all the customers are going here. Who is calling? C staff. So ultimately, C is doing business in competition to A and B, same business, without informing A and B. Now tell me, people, is it right or wrong? Doing business of this manner is 100% wrong. It is unethical. It is unethical. It is unethical. Law says that this is unethical. If you want to do unethical business, apna, you're free to do. Nobody is going to stop you. Smuggling of the what do you call it, goods also is unethical only. So you're okay with that, then smuggle. Who's telling no? Illegal law. It is unethical also, no? As a moral human being, is it ethical or unethical? Unethical. Law says it is illegal. Forget law. Let's talk about us, ethics. Ethical or unethical? So, what does law says? Law says if a partner C carries on a business in competition with the firm. What is a firm ka business name? ABC Jewelers. So if a partner C carries on a business in exact competition with the business of the ABC Jewelers without the consent of the other partner. Who are the other partner? A and B. And earns profit from it. By doing such business, he earns profit apna. The profit so earned by such business, the profit so earned from such business, which business? C Jewelers, shall be paid to the firm. So whatever the profit is earned by C Jewelers, whatever the profit is earned by C Jewelers, the entire profit should be given to ABC Jewelers. And they will distribute that profit in the profit sharing ratio. Got it, not got it? Once again, I'm coming. However, if C Jeweler is having any loss apna, that loss C alone will bear. You can't shift that loss on the head of A, B and C. However, loss incurred, if any, are borne by that partner. Which partner? C alone, which is the partner of or owner of C Jewelers. Okay, not okay. Now, what is the problem here?
They're talking about ethics. This is ethically right.
What is ethically right? Correct. See, what law says is, what first of all you've done is cheating. This is wrong. For what wrong you have done, my intention is to penalize you. So what is the penalty? If profit comes up, Nina, you give to them. If loss comes, you suffer. You tell me one thing. I'll tell you why the loss should be given to ABC Jewelers. He was running this business. அவன் டெய்லி நைட் சரக்கு அடிச்சுட்டு மப்புல வந்து பிசினஸ் பண்ணுவான். டெய்லி காத்தால மார்னிங் 9 o'clock நல்லா சரக்கு அடிச்சுட்டு வந்து பிசினஸ்ல உட்காருவான். No customer will come and sit. Like that, no business. He kept on incurring rental expenses. Will you put that burden of the expenses rental on the head of ABC? Did ABC tell to go and start the business? No. So whatever C did wrong in his business, which led to the loss, can you put that loss on the head of AB Jewelers? Not possible. On the contrary, if C is making profit by competing with the business, please understand, and people, you have to be very clear. You are a partner, one of the owner of ABC Jewelers. Your responsibility is to develop the business of ABC Jewelers. நீ அது பண்ணாம வர கஸ்டமர்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் வந்து உன் பிசினஸ் எடுத்துட்டு போற அப்படின்னா இஸ் இட் ஃபேர்? Forget ABC. If you are A and B, I am C. I am your partner in your business, but instead of putting hard work for growing our business, I am growing my business, which is exact competition to this. Will you be okay with that? If you're okay with that, today I'm signing agreement with you. Come on. Tell me.
C Jewelers.
Now I'm coming one by one. Ifs and buts we'll discuss. Either point deliver irka. So here the problem is what? Two problem. C is doing business in competition to ABC Jewelers, where he's a partner, and plus he's not getting consent. Now here the question comes is, what if C is taking consent and then doing business apdina? Then that profit need not be shared. If consent is taken, no problem. If ABI is telling that okay, no problem, you can do this business, we have no problem, apdina, then no need to share the profits. Got it, not got it? Sir, what if C Jeweler was doing this business before ABC Jewelers? C was doing this business before ABC Jewelers. In that case, what happens? In that case, C should have told A and B that I'm doing this business already. Still, I'm coming in as a partner. Still, I'm coming as a partner. If AB knows already that C is doing the business separately, apna, that time if you did not raise any objection means now also you can't raise the objection. Because you knew that C was running this business, knowing that you took him as a partner. Today you can't object. Gotten, not gotten. Sir, what if C did not inform? C was doing the business already, but he did not inform this to the A and B. Now here law is silent. Law is silent. So here this matter, if any conflict comes up, Tina, you have to go to the court, and court ka judgment we have to see what they're telling. So court will analyze all of this and then tell. Purjida, I'm telling a scenario where C was already running this business. He did not tell the other partner A and B, and he came in as a partner. So without their consent, he's doing the business. First of all, consent is not required because C was the person who was doing this business from the beginning. So consent is not required. But it was his moral responsibility to inform the other partners that, look, boss, the business what you're starting now, where you're asking me to come as a partner, this business already I'm doing. Apni inform pannirkano. Panla aptina, law does not say anything about it. So if a conflict comes aptina, then this matter will go to the court and it is left to the judgment of the court to decide what is right and wrong in this situation. Got it, not got it. Any other scenario? Yes, please. Okay.
Here it's written a business in competition.
Correct.
What if the business that C starts in a different field?
Okay, now the question what is being asked is, sir, ABC, three partners doing jewelry business. C is starting another business which is totally different. It's not a competition. He's starting, let's suppose, a construction business. In that case, do I need to get any approval from the other partners? Not required. Law is very clear here. One, there is a business which is competition to our business, and second, consent is not taken. Only these 2 points we're telling. I highlighted 2 points only here. One, C is doing one business which is competition to the existing business, and second, he is not informing. Only if these two conditions are satisfying, then this clause will apply. If C is doing some other irrelevant business, then you can't ask him to share the profits to other partners. Got it, not got it? Clear, not clear? Any other doubts?
Same thing.
Same thing here? Okay.
So what?
Ah.
They're making different products.
Same Nanda. Same jewelry business, but the product is different, service is different, everything is different. Competition hai. When competition is not there, then there's no question of fighting. No. Got it? Can I go to next point? Now, guys, I have this academy called as FFLA. All of you know that. What is the full form? Fortunes Fun Learning Academy. This another academy called KVA, Kalpavriksha Academy. What is FFLA into? Coaching 9th to 12th student. And what is KVA into? In teaching professional courses, CA, CS, CFA, etc. Okay. I have, as of now, one branch, one and only in RS Puram. Now I've got another opportunity, let's suppose, to open one branch in Bangalore and Chennai. Let me take example, Chennai. There's one offer, one person from Chennai. He has given a proposal that please open both of these branches in Chennai. I said, sir, I don't have that much time, bandwidth, energy to manage both the places. He said, don't worry. You just give your brand name. You just give a brand name and make me a partner of the Chennai branch. Make me a partner of Chennai branch. I will run the show here. I will manage everything. You just give your brand name. You give your classes support. You tell what to do, what not to do. Rest all I will take care of. For me, good only, no? Because I'll get additional revenue. But this person from Chennai is asking partnership from only Chennai branch. He wants partnership of Chennai branch. So whatever the profit Chennai branch makes, the profit sharing ratio is 1:1. And we have signed one agreement. Now, to establish the agreement there, what should I do first? I need to get a place. I means the other partner in Chennai, he will search a place. Once he's finalizing the place, we have to do a setup. What and all money I need to invest? I need money to buy projector. Then we need AC. Then we need, let's say, laptop and AV systems and all. We need chair, furniture. A lot of things are required. Now the problem is, to buy all of this, can I spend my time, energy and go to Chennai and do all this buying? Not possible. And Chennai is bigger hub for buying all of this compared to Coimbatore, because big manufacturers are sitting in Chennai. So I told the other partner in Chennai, you decide from where to buy. I told him that whenever you buy any product, you get 3 quotations. You know what is quotation? You get quotations from 3 people. In that, whichever is giving the lowest quotation, we'll go with that. Okay, wow. Now what happened is, to buy this projector, Chennai partner got quotation from 3 people. I don't want to name anybody. Let's keep it raw. Let's say this is ABC projectors, XYZ projectors, PWD projectors. Any problem? ABC projectors has quoted 1,80,000 rupees for one projector. XYZ is quoted 1,75,000. And PWD has quoted 2 lakh rupees. Same projector. This is the rate. You tell me, people, I should proceed with which. I means generally any person will proceed with which quotation, considering that all the 3 are of same quality, same model, only price difference, service also same, model also same, everything is same. You will go with which quotation? This is what we should proceed. No, this is what we should proceed with. But somehow PWD got to know that XYZ has quoted less, and he got a sense that this firm academy will finalize this. So he, PWD, cunning fellow, he called my Chennai partner. He called the Chennai partner and said, if you approve my quotation, I will give you a commission of 10,000 rupees. I'll give you a commission of 10,000 rupees. Who's offering this commission? PWD projector seller is offering commission to whom? Chennai partner, that if you approve this quotation, no, because approval is in whose hand now? I'm sitting here, I can't do anything. So approval is there where? In the hands of Chennai partner. If you approve this quotation, somehow telling that this person's service is good, this is good, that is good, say something and pass my proposal, I will give you a commission of 10,000 rupees. To which Chennai partner got the greed and he approved this projector. After few months, I got to know that this scam happened with me. Now, law says that in such a case, this 10,000 rupees commission, what is being paid, understand, 175 ka projector, I got it for 2 lakh. So how much extra I paid? 25,000 extra I paid. In that, 10,000 commission went to the partner and 15,000 profit went to the shopkeeper. Yes or no? Actually, I was about to get this projector for 175. But this Chennai partner made me pay how much? 2 lakh. How much extra he made me pay? 25,000 extra he made me pay. This 25,000 went to whom? 10,000 as commission and 15,000 as extra profit to the shopkeeper. Like that 25,000 ka loss I suffered. Now, from the partner, I'll recover this 25,000 rupees. From the partner, the partner who got deceived, who got cheated, I will collect this 25,000 rupees from Chennai partner. Who says this? Law says this. Indian Partnership Act 1932 says it. Okay, not okay. Now read this line. If a partner earns profit, which partner has earned the profit here? Chennai partner earned how much profit? 10,000 profit for himself from any transaction of the firm. Can I say buying of this projector from PWD was between the firm, academy and the shopkeeper? In the transaction, who made money? In this transaction between the firm and the PWD projectors, who made money? Chennai partner. If a partner, Chennai partner, earns 10,000 profit for himself from any projected transaction of the firm, the profit so earned shall be paid to the firm. When we say profit here, don't only think profit plus the loss that has been incurred. If any loss is incurred because of Chennai partner to the firm, that loss also has to be compensated by the other partner. Gotten, not gotten. Plus, or if this example is clear, can I go to next example? Now, what if he runs? You go and chase him. What if he runs up? I'll chase him and get the money. You should have talent to get the money, ma. If you behave like an idiot, no, he ran away, I can't do anything.
You should get the commission bill 25,000 or totally only 25,000.
So my point here is that the language here says that the profit that is earned by the partner, that should be paid to the firm. People think that in this example only 10,000 we should pay, but I'm telling you, you have to interpret it in a very broader perspective. Since I know law, I'm telling you, whatever loss is incurred because of Chennai partner, that entire loss has to be compensated to the firm. Got it, not got it? By Chennai partner. Got it, not got it? Okay, not okay? Clear with this? Okay. Next example. All of you know, this is my academy premises. The last corner room is there, no? That last corner room is got a 25 students seating capacity. How many students? 25 to 30 people can sit. Now, what is happening is, imagine from morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., there is one class going on. Okay, wow. After that, 5 to 8 p.m., there's one more class going. In between, what is there? 1 to 5 p.m., the classroom is empty. The classroom is empty. Okay, not okay? Imagine for this Coimbatore branch, there are two partners. One is Prathik and second is Anita ma'am. So what is Anita ma'am doing is, for 1 to 5, she gave this premises, this room on rental basis. She gave it for rental basis without informing the firm. She didn't inform the firm and gave this premises from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. for 3 hours to another teacher for a rental of 5,000 rupees per month. For a rental of 5,000 rupees per month. And this money, 5,000 is going to whom? Anita ma'am's pocket. It is not going to the firm. It is going to Anita ma'am's pocket. Now tell me, people, is this right or wrong? Fair or unfair? 100% unfair. Now in such case, whatever money is being paid by that person to Anita ma'am should compensate that by paying to the firm. Got it, not got it? Now let me read the next point. One second. If a partner, Anita ma'am, earns a profit of 5,000 rupees per month from the use of firm's property. So this academy is firm's property. From using firm's property, that one corner room, Anita ma'am made a profit of 5,000 rupees per month. That profit so earned shall be paid to the firm. So Anita ma'am has to reimburse that money. She has to repay that money back to whom? Firm. Because that is firm's asset, firm's property. Using firm's property, partner cannot make private benefit. That benefit should come to firm only. Any problem in this point? Anybody wants to object this? Objection you have? Huh? What objection? But what is the point? See, what he's asking is, what if Anita ma'am told you this premises is given on rental basis and that money is coming to firm up? Will I object? No. When the objection is not there, this point will not come. We are talking about a case where there is a problem. Problem is that the other partners earned the money. So that money is a liability that he has to pay to the firm. Liability of the partners towards the firm. In which all scenarios, what we are trying to discuss. Okay, not okay? Likewise, if any partner is making any profit using any business connection also, using some business connections, if he is making any profit, that profit is belonging to whom? Firm. So that money also he has to compensate it by paying to the firm. Got it, not got it?
When the firm closes, after 1 year only you gave it to law.
Now he's telling that firm is about to get dissolved. After the firm is dissolved, we get to know about all this nonsense. You forget me. You tell me what you can do. Can we do anything about it? Nothing can be done. So you have to ask a question in such a way that where something can be done. Business close ஆயிடுச்சு. அவன் வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டான், நான் என் வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டேன், எல்லா டிரான்சாக்ஷன் முடிஞ்சது, புக் எல்லாம் க்ளோஸ்டு. அதுக்கப்புறம் if I find some fraud that he has done அப்படின்னா what I can do? At the max I can go to his home. I'll catch hold of his collar, ask him, why did you do this to me? அவனதான் கேட்க முடியும் தவிர்த்து வேற ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, not okay? Now, any other queries? Any other queries? Match we'll put match, no problem. Online people, no queries? Whatever we have discussed today, take it from me in writing. Shh. What writing? I'm telling in recorded class. high probability that these questions will come. I'm not doing this alone. Whatever we have discussed from today's class from beginning, somewhere or the other, either directly or indirectly, this will be touched upon. I'm telling you. So mark this session, today's session, very, 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 very important. So on that positive note, I'm summing up today's session, people. That's all from my side for this class. I'll see you all in the next class, which is on Wednesday, 6:40 p.m. sharp. Until then, bye-bye. See you. Take care.